Hello everyone, this is Sean from Sean365 English. So today, I'm going to introduce you the most difficult pair of sound in English. Well, at least in my opinion. And also, most of my students said so. So I'm going to talk about why is it difficult for most of us Vietnamese learners and how to master it. So without further delay, I bring you Mrs. and Mr. So first off, why is it difficult? Well, it's simply because Vietnamese have neither of these sounds. So please don't treat them like the sound th or t in Vietnamese. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So how to correctly say this simple word? Let's learn about Mrs. To make this sound, first of all, pull or stick your tongue out of your mouth and keep it loosely between your upper and lower jaw, like this. But don't bite it off. When you have your tongue position like this, start to exhale or blow air through the teeth. Make sure you have a mirror to check your tongue position. Let's do it together. Thank you. Thank you. Thin. I'm thin. 3. 30. 30. Move to Mr. Now, why am I calling them Mrs. and Mr.? Well, because they are pair, the couple. So that means the tongue position, the shape of the mouth are exactly the same. So do you remember the shape of the mouth of this sound? Precisely. Remember to stick your tongue out of your mouth. The only difference is the Mr. have voice. This is voice sound. So you have to vibrate it. Imagine playing helicopter. Or imitate the sound of the bee or the fly. When they are flying, they buzzing, they make a buzzy sound. It's move. So let's practice together. This, that, without. Let's put them together for comparison. Thanks. This. Think. Them. Thumb. They. Toothpick. Father. Birthday. Clothing. Anything. Another. Earth. Bathe. Mouth. Smooth. Great. Let's practice some sentences. I think it is Thursday. I think it is Thursday. What do you think? What's that sound? Exactly. I think it is Thursday. Next, there is another feather over there. There is another feather over there. Can you guess? Exactly, this sound. There is another feather over there. The last one. There is something in that dog's mouth. There is something in that dog's mouth. There is something in that dog's mouth. Right? 2 quick tips before I say goodbye. Tip number 1. Practice in front of a mirror. By this way, you know that your tongue position, your shape of your mouth is in the correct position or not. So for instance, especially in this sound, right? And z. If you don't stick your tongue out of your mouth, then you obviously don't pronounce this sound correctly, right? When you say thanh, you have to stick your tongue out of your mouth. Think, this. Right. Number 2 is try to exaggerate this sound because we don't have this sound. So in order to master this sound, you have to exaggerate it. So once you practice enough, then you don't need to remember that. You just say that without thinking about that. Okay? So that is the end of the video today. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.